we're at the 71st Concours d'Elegance, Pebble Beach, which is shortly after 3 o'clock in the morning. We barely made it to be first in line for the 3rd year in a row. It's kind of our tradition to do that here, and we are presenting the Ingram 550 Spyder today, and coincidentally, there's a very original 904, so another Porsche second in line, so we're excited to get on the field this morning.
Brand new by Paul Sagan. He was a dealer, and that's how we've restored the car to when he finished up second in the championship. You well know the survival rate of Spyders
is very low.
Very low. Is obviously these are the original hammer marks into there, and then Wendler had a secret body production number, which is down here. Cobra's going up. What's the other car going up besides the Cobra? No.
And the third in class goes to the 1955 Porsche 550 1500 RS Wendler Spyder, owned by Robert Ingram and the Ingram collection from Durham, North Carolina. This car was purchased on Ranch Electrics, Peter. Fabulous to see the car here today. Most unusual, unique Oscar. No other one like it in the world. This was designed by Michelotto for the most